Hi everyone, in this video you are going to learn about important 6 steps. You have to follow these 6 steps before getting to any kind of analysis. These are the 6 important steps. First step is we have to clean and record data. At present, most of the researchers are collecting data through Google form. So, these data are measured in string form. Some data may be measured in numeric form. By using string data, we can't do advanced analysis. For that purpose, we have to convert string data into numbers. Click transform. Choose automatic recode. So here we want to recode string data into number. So first I am going to move first variable from left box to new variable box. Here we have to give the name of the variable. So I am going to give name of the variable gender 1. Give add new name. Click this checkbox. It will take some common number for recoding all variables. Give OK. At last, new variable created. We can check that values added in the new variable in variable view. Click here. At last, this variable in values, it automatically take what is 1, what is 2. After converting string data into numbers, you have to delete string column. You have to check last row also. If I type some numbers, after that if I am going to delete this number, so a dot appear at last. For example, how to find out missing number? For that, click Analyze. Select frequency from descriptive statistics. If I am going to move one or two variables from left to right, give OK. So look at here, out of 121, 1 is missing. Second step is replace missing value. If some mistake we did while entering data, or some respondents not give any value for particular question, how to replace that value. Variable has missing value. We can find out missing value through frequency analysis. Now I am going to replace this missing value variable. For that, click transform menu and replace missing values. Click it. Now I want to move income to new variable name created here. Give OK. It automatically take some value based on remaining value. Let us see how can this variable replace it with the new value. Again, I am going to click replace missing value, reset it and move that particular variable to new variable. Give OK. So automatically it take 4. One is outlier. You have to be very careful regarding outliers because one or two respondents may affect other responses value. So we have to find out the outliers for getting desirable result. Look at here, the average order amount lies between 500 and 2500. If I give some wrong order amount 6000, I willingly change this value for knowing outliers. Find out outliers, click Analyze, select Explore from Descriptive Statistics, move the variable which one we want to check the outliers. Best you have to move all the variable for find out outliers. Now I am going to show you sample only. Move to order amount to right box, click statistics and click outlier checkbox, give continue and do OK. Look at here, this is the outlier. We have to remove this outlier from total set. If we did not delete this outlier, what will happen? Let us see. Next step is checking normality. We have to check normality for scale data. There are a lot of methods. Among that, this is the simple and easiest way for getting normality, skewness and kurtosis. So I did not delete this outlier. So I move to find out normality. For that, click Analyze, select Descriptive, move the variable which one you want to check normality. Scale data are used for checking normality. Going to move order amount to variable box and click option skewness and kurtosis checkbox. I have to click continue. So look at here, the value of skewness and kurtosis 1.258 and 6.30 kurtosis. I am going to remove the first one, that is outlier. Again I am going to check normality. For that, just to repeat the same step again, give OK. After removing outlier, the value has reduced 1.258 to minus 0.10. Here kurtosis value 6.30 to minus 0.105. How to remove outlier for getting desired result. Next step is reliability. You have to find out reliability for Likert scale data. We should not mix positive and negative costing together for find out reliability. Reliability with this acceptable range. If we got reliability more than 0.7, it is very good. Sometimes there is a chance for getting less than 0.7. So that case, what we have to do? Let us see it. Analyze, select reliability analysis from scale. First I am going to show you these four variables CF1 to CF4. Give OK. So these four variables give 0.793. Another four variables to show you if we did not get reliability. T1 to T4. Give OK. So here the reliability is 0.601 only. Acceptable range of reliability is 0.7. So why we got this value? Through bivariate correlation, I show you how we got reliability and why we did not get reliability. Correlate, bivariate. First I am going to move first four variables. Which one we got reliability? Give OK. Here the correlation between CF1 and CF2 is 0.4. So here the relationship between remaining variable also more than 0.4. If I take T1 to T4 variable right side and give OK. So the correlation between T1 and T2 is 0.4, but T1 and T3 is 0.2, T2 and T3 is 0.033. This is the reason we are getting less reliable data. The main reason is different value given for this variable. One person give 4 to T1, 5 to T2, 1 or 2 to T4 and T5. So he is giving different value for each variable. That's why we are getting low reliability. Last one is measurement scale. Most important one, you have to know your variable. We have asked a lot of questions in our questionnaire. Each questions come under any one of these measurement scale. If you ask some question with the option, that option don't have any order, that is called nominal data. If it has some order, education level has some order, age has some order, Likert scale data, ranking question, these are data has some order. These type of data are called ordinal data. Quantitative data are called scale data. What is the type of measurement is used for this question? If your answer is ordinal, that is correct. If I ask monthly income without giving any option, this time this variable come under the category of scale data. If I ask the same question with the options, if this option has some order, hence this data is called ordinal data. If you ask some question with some option which does not have any order, that data is called nominal data. Why I insist you to know types of measurement scale? Because based on these measurement we have to finalize the statistical tool. If you have one scale data, you can use one sample t-test. If you have one scale data, another variable with two groups which is measured in nominal scale, you can apply independent sample t-test. Non-parametric test also apply the same condition. I hope you understand this video. Thank you.